In just 1 minute a day, Google receives more than 4 million queries. This has become an important tool in people's lives, both for academic and work issues as well as for personal issues and small queries at home. So it is important to implement some tricks that allows more accurate searches to save time and find the specific result you are looking for. 1. Use quotes to find an exact phrase, not a word more and a word less. 2. If you want to find pages related to one you like, you should put related. Then the page you like, this way Google will show your pages or content similar to the page you choose. 3. You can control or set the time range you need results from. To do this, do the search. When the results appear, go to Tools and then display the tab that says From Any Dates. There will give you option of time from last minute, last 24 hours, last week, last month, and last year. You can even customize this time range you want. 4. Use the plus and minus symbol to make Google show you results that you want and don't want to see with related terms. For example, if you want to find out the price of a cell phone but don't want it to show you the price in dollars in areas, you can put the minus symbol right before the word dollar and area. Instead, if you want it to show you results in your local currency, type the plus symbol and then the currency you want. This way it will show your prices in the currency you choose. 5. Type in an asterisk instead of a word you've forgotten about a phrase you want to find, so Google will guess it. 6. If you want to find special content on a specific page, you should write cite, the page you want to find the content on, and then write the word or term you want to find, but it is in parentheses. 7. Taking into account these tricks will allow you to be more assertive in your searches and more productive by saving time.